Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we'll be meeting some amazing sea creatures. This is going to be awesome. Let's check them out.
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and look at where I'm at. Yeah, I'm at a marina. Yeah, marinas are a body of water where a bunch of boats live. So cool. But hey, check this out. Wow! Today, we're at the Marine Life Center in Bellingham, Washington, and you and I are gonna learn a lot about some cool creatures and fish. Yeah, I love fish. Woohoo! Let's go! Wow! Oh, hey, who are you?
Hi, my name's Casey. Who are you?
Nice to meet you, Casey. I'm Blippi. What are you doing?
I'm painting a picture of some of my ocean friends on the ceiling here.
Wow, are those sharks right there?
They sure are. They're dog sharks.
Oh, that's cool. Well, it's a very good painting. But hey, do you mind if I go explore the Marine Life Center?
Please do.
Wow, check this place out. Wow, this is gonna be so much fun learning about marine life. Yeah, let's go. Whoa, check it out. Yeah, do you see that? That is a skate. Yeah, it's hard to see because it blends in so good with the rocks surrounding it. Yeah, just like how I kind of blend in with this creature right here because we're both the color orange. The skate blends in with the rocks, and that is called camouflage. Whoa! Yeah, that helps keep it safe from its predators. Whoa! Whoa, check out this tank. Looks like there's some cute fish in there. Hello, hey! Wow, they're just swimming around, and they look like they are having fun. Oh, what else is in here? Oh, looks like some seaweed and some rocks. Yeah, Casey says there's actually an eel in here. Whoa, and she's gonna come feed it. Yeah.
Hey, Blippi, did you find the wolf eel? She's hiding inside of her den. Sometimes, if she's hungry, she'll come out and say hello. It looks like she has a grumpy face, but she's actually my friend. Sometimes she likes belly rubs and treats. Her favorite is shrimp. Let's see if we can get her to eat.
Wow, such cool animals in here. I love all these creatures. Whoa, check it out. Wow, inside this tote, there is a kelp crab. Whoa, do you see him? Whoa, look at him. Here, let me move this piece of kelp. Whoa, there he is. Whoa, the cool thing about this kelp crab, yeah, is it's camouflage. Yeah, he camouflages by eating things. If he starts to eat things that are light brown, then he starts to turn light brown himself. Or if he eats things that are dark brown, like this piece of kelp, then he blends in to that dark brown piece of kelp. Whoa, so cool. Oh, look, a shrimp. Hello, shrimp. You are so cute. Do you want to be pet? Yep, there you go. Oh, there you go. Oh, it is so cute. Hey, speaking of shrimp, check this out. Whoa, doesn't that look like a shrimp? Yeah, it looks like the shell of the shrimp. Wow. Yeah, shrimp and crab, they do what's called molt. Yeah, that's where the outside of them, their shell, yeah, comes off of them. And this, whoa, this is just a shrimp shell because it came off the shrimp. Oh, look at these critters. Wow, these are both hermit crabs. Whoa, yeah, they're crabs that are inside shells. Whoa, check out what happens when I pick it up. It's gonna go inside the shell. All right. Whoa, did you see that? Whoa, yeah, it used to be outside the shell, but now it's inside the shell to protect itself. Okay, I'm gonna gently put it back right there. Whoa, look at this tank. Looks like there's some crabs in here, some fish. There's a lot of cool things in here. A lot of seaweed. Oh, do you see all those fish down there? Hello, fish. Hey, are you hungry? Yeah. Hey, check it out. Looks like I have some yummy food for these fish. Yeah, this is actually nutrient-dense food for the fish. Yeah, it's just like you and I eating vegetables, basically. Really good for us. All right, here you go, fish. All right. Wow, look at all of these shells. They're so pretty. This one is so big. Look at it. Whoa, it's almost as big as my hand. Wow. Okay. Whoa, and this one is so shiny. Wow. Oh, and this one is so pokey. Wow. Oh, here's another pokey one. But those are little teeny pokes. Whoa, that is so cool. Oh, hey, what's this doing here? Look, it's a stuffed animal. And this stuffed animal is a stingray. Whee, whee. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we explore this area and see if we can find any more stuffed animals? Oh, check it out. A giant sea turtle. Whoa, sea turtles are so cool. They're so graceful just swimming in the water. Flapping, flapping, flapping. That is so cute. Okay, there you go. Whoa, check it out. We have 2 salmon. Whoa, looks like one is spawning and the other one is not. Whoa, look at salmon go. Wow, salmon are some cool fish. They get so big. Yeah, these would be small salmon in the wild. Okay, let me set them right over here so they don't fall in there. Whoa, a giant sea lion. Well, this one would be really teeny, but sea lions get so big, and they make the sound, That is so silly. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's put you back right there. Whoa, you found another one. Wow, a giant clam. Look, it's like a hard shell. Yeah. Whoa, look, it opened up. And do you see what's inside? Yeah, we found a pearl. Whoa, that is so pretty. Whoa, so shiny. I actually heard pearls get created from irritation. I think that's true. Whoa, look down here. Whoa, another shell. Yeah, this is a hermit crab. Yeah, check it out. See a crab? And then it actually goes inside its shell for protection. See? Yeah, it goes like this on the ground. And then it opens up. And then it crawls around. And then it goes inside. Okay, we'll keep you right there. Here you go. Whoa, another one. Yeah, this is a fish. And do you see how flat it is? Yeah, it lays down flat. Its 2 eyes are on top of its body. Yeah, and it just hangs out on the bottom of the seafloor. And this is a halibut. And halibuts can get so big. Yeah, this one would be a small one. Whoa, this is so cute. Do you know what kind of animal this is? Nay. Nay. Yeah, that's a hint. Yeah, this is a seahorse. Yeah, it looks kind of like a horse, huh? Oh, cute swirly little tail. And look at what it has right in its little pouch. Little baby seahorses. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hey, wow, you're so colorful. Whoa, okay, let's see. Whoa, a couple more. Yeah, check this out. A killer whale. Yeah, an orca. Wow, they are so cute. Wow, an octopus. Octopuses are so smart. Yeah, and they have 8 long tentacles. Woo! With suckers on the bottom to hold on to things. Okay, there you go. Oh, looks like we have some whales right here. Oh, whales can get so big. They get massive and they breathe air. They go and then suck in air and they can go underwater and stay underwater for so long. Oh, hey, look! A beluga whale! Wow, it's so bright and white! Yeah, it kind of looks like snow. Yeah, beluga whales actually love to be in really cold, frigid water. Woo, woo, woo! Whoa! Check it out! Hey, what is this?
This is one of our crab pots, and by golly, we have a lot of crabs in here today.
Yeah, we do! There are so many of them! What kind of crabs are these?
These are called graceful or slender crabs, and they look a lot like a Dungeness crab. Have you ever seen a Dungeness before?
Yeah, aren't they a little bigger than that?
They sure are.
Yeah.
These are almost fully grown.
Whoa, can we take one out and see it a little closer?
Even better, we could probably take 2 and figure out which one's a boy and which one's a girl.
Okay, that sounds like fun. Whoa, check it out. We just got 2 crabs in here. All right. Okay, how do you tell if it's a boy or a girl on these?
Oh, well, that's a great question. I get that a lot. So I like to start with the female crab, the girl crab, and we look at her belly, we flip her over gently on her back, she kind of calms down, and we look for a very wide triangle shape here compared to the boy. And that's because she's gonna have eggs inside her tummy there, and she needs extra room. The boy doesn't need that much room.
Okay, so that one is a girl and that one is a boy?
You got it, Blippi.
Whoa, check it out. Wow, that is really cool. And I like acting like a crab. Wow! Wasn't that so much fun learning about marine life together? Yeah, that was awesome. Seeing those cute fish and all those creatures. Wow, it's crazy how they live under the water. And you and I live on the land. Yeah, it's really important for you and I to help keep the water nice and clean. Yeah! Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. All right, well, I'm gonna keep learning.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!